from which place you have started? No.
No, no. From we have yesterday we had completed actually Mandir area up to Mandir, but I think
Up to Mandir?
yeah,
You have completed?
yes,
But
yes.
it's so bad, yeah. I traveled just
No,
now.
because that smoothness cannot be achieved without laying of the black top. Only just so that the motorable condition.
You have to do something that will be something that the road that one truck will pass. You know,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
how
Yes,
many
ma'am.
how many trucks per day? Do you know that?
I
Because
think
your road should be as per.
4,000,
Huh?
lump sum 4,000.
So just imagine 4,000 trucks.
Yeah.
So whatever you have laid down, what I am seeing now, it's like it's not. No work has been done.
No, it's going because of
No,
the.
no, don't fool me around, okay? Don't fool me around. I know. If I don't see what I see, is what I believe.
Yes.
So I know that. Okay. So don't tell me that you have done this and done and the road that I have traveled just now, you said till Monday. I am not sure that you have done that road. So bad. So you will have to take me wherever I'll see.
Yes,
I'll
yes,
see.
sure,
Okay, because
sure.
I'll take photos and I'll
Yes.
take to service.
Ji, ji.
Okay.
Yes.
So, but please take. This is the flight of not only of one or two person. This is the many. How can you know?
Karveshno.
14 villages. 14 villages. People are. You understand? They are disheartened with the condition of the work on this road. And they have to use this road for various purposes. So you have to take very strict measures. Okay, that the contractor will have to complete. So how is the contractor like? He's doing his work.
Yeah. Dhar construction.
That's what like he's doing his work. He's implementing as per your directions and all.
Yes.
He's doing that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll go and check.
Yeah.
With me also, then we'll see.
Yes.
Wherever you said that you have done, I'll give some proof to DC.
Ji.
Because Sir DC, he wants proof. Huh?
Yes.
He wants proof of every part of the road that you have constructed, where you have repaired.
Yes.
Okay, so your repairing also should not be something that 4,000 trucks, the moment 4,000 trucks comes, means the entire road is washed away. Okay, plus monsoon, one is the passing of trucks.
Ji.
You understand, no?
Yes.
So you have to look into this properly. Okay, that the road you should not just do it for the sake of doing it.
Yes.
Okay, you have to do it for the sake that the road will still be there. Okay, at least till the end of monsoon.
Yes.
Then after monsoon, we'll start the normal.
Yeah. We'll do the concrete work.
Long dala, mentalong bakas. Kinala man.
Nadaling dong nirong susu pa kani ka por kamde ka por ka bit man le ya ka black to ngre at least video ikin bakin ini ki bala long view pala kin pendak ka borda adin pat kin ay de chip long kan long smooth kin bang jadi kan kamde ya ban ay hadu ka black to
ada beberapa madam mau saya beli madam warna ini video ini yang masuk dan ada milik ada monitor punya ini berapa imai masuk kita di krem mong bah saya ingin dia dikum ke guna dalam senang di rumah yang di kondisi mandiri kita tuh ini kerpat itu buat tunjuk ini pesnya bangi kembang ini ya rai nomor ande rai pai ba mo lada ki kila ban pun marma ado po ya monitor bande hama kong munde ta pindeu do chi ba pudar lada ki la ado monitor te ngin beng dala de lada kumwan ro ngin beng mada mo gumdan kaman punya tang sukun ini ngila beng ni mar kini ding e ding munde badang kumai te da mangi keren kini haba pun itu engineer kim risik pun juga dar company risik kim de ngi kum nang dam haba ngi pun gede bersik ma ang kita kim kisnet te ya kata kadau ngi bok jaga inang salang ngi bok ledang keren mangi kemenu kin keren sukna no kiro kira no certify mo gede surat ang kata nilang ngi tengi leda ngi sing thai ban song surat ni bai karena harus nilai song tang kambansi. Ya kata lada kila ban pendep kulai ini de lede ingin kuar ban sistem ya kibi mah mani satu lede sistem. Ini dan kam makin pendep nak kulai lada pendep kulai dulu tasara kembangila Dap lekran tadi ingin beng, dap tinggal matang ingin beng. Kita pun sarwa jadi pun tinggi lah beng teh. I press tu lah.
Thì mà sa kawai mo madam. Thì nagaliang yung ini kuat bahkan yang kumini. Ndre mano ba pun bor yung ibang isyong kumini di ko man. Nagajin sim kia yung bor. Naman nila yakran thai si thai baru. Aduh, Deputy Chief Minister Babres pun song badi yang surau. Ila yawan gini ginong yalam sini. Kila donro gajing kular. Pada din kata nama bakin train long no da strike. One surgery wong to reng no ingin strike in train no islang no. Kung kipay ba kiba pun ko ya lede hakibo sokar. Ipun ko ngo ngiveng no ya strike. Namar ngidon gajing kermen bakat additional kular mo kan long de kata. Sindre kam ulong satun gajing kami dan tujuh. Kata daw ng khad yung gajing yalang. Berkat ba ulah ya thai ulah besar wong long daga hindi strike. Nang ba kasorkarkan diskon. Iyo dan lagi. Jadi jeung sniu jong su.
Kata pilih tu sebenarnya madam
Setelah sekemaru kaju. Te ya mentahi ingin bat baik ka eka rai ka banglaran. Kat ba ngin pad yo bak sokar. Te mentang ngadang sukuli na kini girang ba sinong sete. Wong kila ya tre kumno. Yung kisu tre tangga. Kisubret da ka kendeu banya umau ubun kendeu. Katanya kebanang tu susu yang sudah. Di kabha bakin isok itu, bakin tray bha, bu baga ki boulders tiba kita sebret nangkan lang smooth kan tiba dia. Ladahakan ni kerukom ke bakin tray, kanang pun bitar susu. Kena kata kada nang man like na kajing yung ipai ba. Baje piru ki ba bat ya kadinir season pinsuk. Pinsuk lada kini ki don. De pila yo dan lagi skot dengan ngina kaliang jong ngin kerpat iki. Om yaki bakin pun kloy ban trader kenang ba ngir ngin ban kloy tadi ka strike. Lada kimpat dep ban trade complete nadu hadu malidor ngin na strike.
Kamut dah timbo pe ka strike hado
Hadu.
Pay madam. Dalong pum ni na pay bat ngayon ina ka force ka por. Tapi ang bangin weng ka strike kim tray. Kim yo chika ban tray. Namari ki kali gila bon pala. Satang ki blok ba la anda kani ka serok nasional live kandeng gali. Kandeng ki jingjam gali. Nang tau uniu kontraktor le kani kan hai kan tray. Kan yo lat ban tray.
em kalong kum ni te nakaliang jong usar bisi la pun baik ba kanu ko benta jong surok hapor basna kamut siliang on pelat siliang hap le benta namar kani ka surok kan khang te kamlong te namar ba kam su ya hap namar kani ka surok kam dei tang kundan kam mangi ki mo ki kundan kam ki wei pa ki jela ki turuk mesti ki don kam ban
Kata madam. Nga gani nganong ni yang jonga. Kata pi ki besong sete ban besong sete kim yo I kemat kita cile kumai kemat mang ki beron sana. Tagi na kiliang jongi ide pembaik ina de pembaik. Naga komiti jongi naga jingelang jongi haba chwa bang sim ya kani karai. Kat bampat det ban maramat yo lu sarok tat adu ban poi hacing ke mulidor. Dale le ngin nomba. Dia kata ngangan krisai.
Apa gajing
Ya.
Kata dia sikat tu yang ilamat dia frasi blok ni tajing apa orang imat mana. Pilih ini frasi blok ni. Dia gajing ibri bopang bositam la ban lesin dawai. Ikam tam bikin klimak ba armet kumla ban lesin dawai ki ba li hospital kumla shooter. Lada kita gajing ingin sisi mo nasional highway no. Tambangi ledangi nyingi ba syong ni ngilak kita gajing sa kin kila dagi lak dagi hapan ya sya salam.
Kan kawai pada kalong ba kami kasurok ka ba dei tang ba kaya tang ibrio ru mo nrai pe kimar ki badon kap ki marbam ya dang ni te kami ka petrol mo kami ka umpiang ka ya dang ni itu
Sar di sini
Madam ini mo. Lada ka dei hi ka surok. Ngin nang gin dala kang kum. Ndre bangiyo ikam dei ka surok. Ngikwa balay ni sung kum ni ngikwa bakan long surok. Madam. Naong bakan long surok temen-temen itu pelai.
So, how much time till Malidor you that 3-4 days still Malidor?
I think 3 days, up to 3 days it will be completed.
3 days.
Yeah. 3 days is okay.
But what
Oh,
We can reach up to
excuse
Malidor.
me, brother. Can you give
can reach
the
up to
first
Malidor,
on the
3
first
days.
ride? You said that the same question. On 3 days they will make it.
Huh?
Is it possible? 3 days.
That we can finish up GAP. That will take another 3 days.
Mother-
We have project manager from
Yeah.
Okay, so now like what I'm seeing is that first we have to find until I'm left. Okay, and the way, the type of repairing also should not be only by like that. It should be properly done.
Yeah,
Okay.
we are doing big
Yes.
boulder, first laying boulder, then above that one we are having that a small aggregate, 40 mm, 20 mm.
No, but
We
the
are
thing
doing
is
chip.
that they are saying that if you pour chips or something also, once the truck gets on it, no, so all that is like gone.
No, because we are giving as a base boulder.
There's nothing that you can plaster or something after you have done all of that. You just plaster like that.
No.
You cannot do.
Ma'am, what is the bitumen work, other than which are the binding material, that penalty we are using in this monsoon rainy season. So proper work we can be resumed after September, but till that, the big pothole, which are the big pothole, already we used, earlier we, yes, for emergency we use some sand or alternate element, but now we are bringing the material from our cassar, stone cassar. So our cassar also due to rain, there is all the process and damages. So we are trying to get repaired and restore our within the next 2 days. In the meanwhile, we are procuring the material from other sources, other cassar stones. So we are planning, our people are working very hard. So we are trying our best level to at least the big portal can be filled within the next 3 days. Thereafter, we will try to restore with WMM by bitumen asphalt if we get the good weather.
Okay.
And the main work, whichever the main work, DBM, GC, that will be started after September. That you can
Yes,
understand.
I understand that one. But at least they are also willing that you do a good repair work. They want a good repair work. Okay, at least suitable enough for people to travel. Okay, because this road doesn't look like a road anymore as per their grievances. Okay, it doesn't look like a road. It's almost like passing through some forest or something like that. Okay, so you'll have to ensure that 6 days you need.
Not 6 days, 3 days for filling
3
the
days.
big pothole.
Okay.
Big pothole.
Big potholes.
So that heavy vehicle, others vehicle can be fly smoothly.
Yes.
Then we'll take up the small pothole.
Okay.
Now,
3 days is
for
only
the
only
big,
for
big
big
potholes.
potholes.
For big pothole. Always in this time I was standing the side there with my people. So I asked them to leave the small pothole because we have to restore immediately the big pothole where the accident prone area is.
Yes. Thì khi ông dân sang cho đã làm cái tiêu thì hệ thì bà lại cầm nhiều thì năng tu kinh saya kinh cái tiêu thì bà cầm rực thì khi năng sang cho là station này thì kinh sawan terkum ni thì pinahapan ay por ni nama sebakawan siwan ka slam
Em ka bahaya em kin tre ha kende ka por ka bangidang yang surak te bang kali. Kan pensud yaki.
em tabalong
Kalong
ki
ka jingrap
disuto.
o yakiro.
Kajing terpat na kaliang jong ka district administration kaliang bisi kalong ba kani kasurok kabadon kam ti ada pidang la bani ya weng ya kani da pidang la ba kinya suhu lang bani tray lang naman na kaliang bisi uang ba ipulit un sabu ban pek ya kani ki officer un sabu hi ban one pek kari ya kata kajing pentray kam jong ti mo
Em madam nga nagaliang jong nga kung sekretary jong ka JC. Nga tengah ang kabha ba pinyasa sa ong kisi bunyasa lembat ni. Kena dalong kumne bangin bat gili. Kine kinong kre ki kamploy kamster. Tanda gila dut pentre ya gane. Kata kumbala ong ni serman bala ong bak sulu biru. Di bare ki kuman siniru nilap weng lepai kene di. Pada kali gila mentala bon lagi kali. Dale impossible. Jam traffic bat gili dong tre kimla cuba.
Hakaching long nong kit kilong kit nong dai me. To udisi nong kit ke district. Sementara kini kitrok ki kali baro om kala sementara nakasnong jong kila alai. Mo, kini kisnong jong kila alai. Mentah pat ki sakut cek te kisnong jong ki wei pade. Tekaniru kala peni itu ka komplain. Siko.
Te kamli le. Kita ki basa sate ha kejing. Kemud haga kisu penapa non triem tu. Ni pas sini ngi mat kejing lekat nu benai, kat nu snap. hai da ki kayu lentar di kunai lentar ye ke jing jenjar jangin berbusyo
Em susu.
Madam kumbe da kuwe mo ngin kari hijau. Kini kita baru sebenarnya mundan selap, mundan leer, mundan pria. Mundan pada demo, cuma kini kia apa gini madam? Kalau kini kia, kadang ni keren mundan masnap. De andang ni ki kini rumah, senang kita ki nada ni dia. De kita kan orang kum ki rumah, senang. Ni lah sim ya gerai dah minta jumlah long pai ba. Mang ni ya le ya kene kam ni strike ni minta jong pai ba. Kadai di minta jong diberiu. Bro celenter na minta kita diberiu na Mizoram no baca bar jong state jong ni dia minta jong kitir. Tu dongkong dia minta jong ni ka baar dia minta jong ki. Minta ni lah sim ya gerai bangin bakin marmot adu bakin amde bangi ong bakin le do. Bro yo tu bari beriama tu krem beria, kitlu beria. Lekin dia gitu gi behek so gitu liu dan dah ada gitu behek te gitu beri selek ke dia inde bingin om bakin lek be bara gitu beri ki bama yang bakin lek so gitu behek do pom leader jadi nak tu pom leader tu behek tinggi ingin selipet ingin saya pelaki ya ta strike te gitu beri tikin lek ke dia
To nak
dah tangga tai ngi dia yang ngaran yang Jerman masih tangga tai kemarin ingin menton jingbut sudah kiwe kan ayo kiwa ada dangin weng menca de ki paiba ni bara gila kibitar dengan margane di surjung paiba ingi kumbu tanjong tanjong bara kowe te kejingi jungi menton bersengap mo andang lele kumne kisul kundu tadi kita kisnong boy kundu jingi tambul melaki la sedang menperta teki dam ki kulit nendu baksa nen triste teki deliang sarkar ki diwan pa security ki namarngi deliang ngi kum petrol kum diesel kum pa o balap kun sarwar jiringa cerman di ban pelai ini la pelai du menin ni bro kita ngila pelai ki gas ni pelai tese ban ong bangin pun hun be ya kita jing kwa jangan ya kini ki en hai tinggi nyimla ngi ong be ya ke jing namar deliang ga deliang disil ngi tibar kini por balda kita be ki tambak deliang ki kim snap yo war yo disil ngatra kim king beda ki buram yo sarwar jiri kumba ula betha ki ilele andre kim sem lo buram de kata kadau kene kam ram di kum pai ba namar kade risun sa pai ba ni kum ki bamar ya ngi don ko ha mo namar pai ba de sarkar mo de kata kadau madam ngi de liang jongi de oi kata ka an kadang kata ka an mo tang ba ka an ru kam sem mo ga an ban penyiap ini ki badawa lagi jong ko ha teleda ka an ka sa ban sitom ini habang idawa lagi jong ko ha we are ready amne le kata Makilam tang da banta jong pai ba
Cerman berang kurum, kumba kena makan kot nak kena jingkren ka jus sejo. Kumba kila batai lai singi ken sinai ko to behe. Te mat hadin kata lai singi ken sinai to barit. Te ya kam kumba la kren kena ngba kim pelai no ya to strike hadin baladat ya kata kata lebih.
Kawai kalau nakaliang jongi nakaliang jong state administration bab bisi ni ai ya kata klik iki mangir mungkin klik hendak nak menang ni syahmat ni dapat ha no ya ke jingprei jung gini bakil pendak ni penting kena bakini kin pendak ni kita kam ba kani kan yarap ni piru sibut sing ni kwa tang kan jing prelang nak yang jong piru naman nyimpa kita bangini ada kaan ni kita ki ai mo namar ni nakaliang tu ni la suku ti ba kasurak kadai ka way mo ka kalimti mo kalau budlum jong ipat ba ibreu ni ai klang kasurak ru balai ba naman ta ipat ba kasuk ni kwa kita ki ai bangin ong bangin ya ta kan ni syukwa ya tang daka
Dia boda lah, boda.
Syukwa tang kawai bangin ya prelang ba hihi Ngai kata kasing tempat men subuh mo ada sidang la ada ni kwa hirup balong lada pa kani kan hisi kan yan ikunta hi kumbi kwa da ban pau da kata kam hirup ni pa ikini bakin pau no da kata mo
Kata apa yang dah?
Kabakat do madam
kila ai kular ini lice ni syai kita ki bahe ke salai ni pada kin tindak kita ki berat hirup ni kumbi kular hirup ni one check ni one pen ni pen kia ka jeng iu jong hirup yaki menang baka kam kan ya bet nang kan pensuk epi hirup ni ban ya le like laki kam tigan.
Kaddo madam aku habis selesai. Kata ke jingkre kinde ban tre tang ban pendek. Ya batang sisi asli ingin pelai kali pinjai kalau silong kumjo. Kin tre ko bakamba bak bakamne. Ka gue ke bangaso si kalong. Bagi jingkeng berak kali igilo senjata. Omdan mepek tang gibe. Iya, ini jingkeng lada gawe jingkeng kan tekut. Manuan bak ni dia juni pelai bak bro. Yang tengah kata ngabu ke jingkerpan, ke surkar, bari kumjo. Bin meramot da ba itenak jong pai ba da ba kham suk pai ba ba da kham scam ba ko hadu ben pek kerpang ha pinia igni jikeng balen tu bibu ya tu ikndon ha jikeng sunapur bro arli gitu si 144 service ndon cha banjing kali man ke ski kali ki jeng di spa kali halar jikeng ki jikeng ngum sing cheno ki police seno ki department itu ko beru nga yela de ngaso ngaso si ya bangala itu ngape si ya tu jikeng Dengar bu ke jingkerpat ke bakat do ai bangin kat pempadet nge 6 pelai nge 6 bang nge kene strike ba bagi
Di sini rulah ha. Ban yo ban sedang kam. Nak yang ini lah yang cincang ikut kan. Tidak saya kan dai Namar baka department tu kali itu ini. Yang jogging ban pressure ini. You have to take a very strict interest in this. Like it's not just like enough like this. We want like the work. Okay, I will come for monitoring. Okay, from my side, I'll come for monitoring on and off the site. So I'll come and check your roads, and the type of repair that you give should not be a repair which will last only for 2-3 days. Okay.
Ma'am, repairing our major work is not repairing. Anyhow, we are doing
Yes,
that.
yes.
Our work is main the restoration.
Main, yes,
DBM
yes,
or
yes.
DC.
No, but that
But for that,
I'll
we are
take it up with your PD or your
We are
project.
talking, we are consulting with them also.
Yes,
That's
yes.
why yesterday I, along with Endor, our owner, we all the day we did there.
Yes.
So we are submitting them also extra work also. They
Yes.
should be also.
Yes.
But this is not part of the our
Yes,
public
yes, yes,
service.
yes.
That is the
That
our
is your
problem.
office
That
work.
will
So
connect.
anything like that, you please communicate with me. I'll communicate with Sir DC. I'll talk with your higher officials also. Okay, so that this matter will be looked into. Okay, but as of now, please do your work. Just the repair work you do, and it should be a repair work that will last at least for this monsoon. Okay, till that September, if you
Yeah,
are to
September,
start.
after
So
September,
yes,
September.
till at least now you have July and August, 2 months more. So it should last.
तो आपकी समझ गया ना तो क्या जो भी एक्स्ट्रा
Because you are the authority to do
yes
that.
they are the authority owner.
You have the authority to do that, and I request the administration to do the strict action, to take action against this Lahai official. Otherwise, the things will come for nothing.
In the meanwhile, I am giving or another motion that here the in between this one there is a 8 kilometer work is CC work, cement concrete work. That we can do,
Yes.
and we will do within this monsoon.
Yeah.
That 8 kilometer road,
Yes. Okay. That's even.
cement concrete road.
in market area in Kyang like
Okay.
Sonapur Mandir
Okay.
where there is a frequent damage occurs we have taken
You do like that. You do like this. You give me in WhatsApp. Okay. You make up what are those portions which has to be done by that. Which portions you will do. You just give me a list. Okay. Just give me in WhatsApp. Okay. So that I'll give a proper report to Sir DC.
Okay. You go on construction this work, do this work, and Monday we will meet again.